Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome to Common English Words. Today we're learning 100 of the most useful action words. Are you ready? Let's get started. Add. Add. She adds some sugar to her coffee. Appear. Appear. A rainbow appears after the rain. Ask. Ask. He asks for directions. Attack. Attack. The lion attacks its prey. Bake. Bake. She bakes a chocolate cake. Balance. Balance. He balances the book on his head. Bathe. Bathe. The baby bathed in warm water. Beat. Beat. He beats the drum loudly. Beg. Beg. The dog is begging for food. Bend. Bend. He bends down to pick up the coin. Bite. Bite. The dog bites my shoe. Blow. Blow. He blows out the candles. Boil. Boil. The water is boiling. Bounce. Bounce. He is bouncing the ball. Break. Break. He accidentally breaks the glass. Breathe. Breathe. Take a deep breath and relax. Build. Build. They build a beautiful house. Burn. Burn. The fire is burning in the night. Buy. Buy. He buys a new t-shirt. Call. Call. I will call you later. Carry. Carry. She is carrying a heavy bag. Catch. Catch. He is catching the ball. Change. Change. He changes his mind. Charge. Charge. My phone is charging now. Chase. Chase. The dog is chasing the cat. Check. Check. I check my email every morning. Clean. Clean. She cleans the kitchen. Climb. Climb. They are climbing the mountain. Close. Close. Please close the door. Comb. Comb. He combs his hair neatly. Cook. Cook. He is cooking dinner for the family. Count. Count. He counts the money carefully. Cover. Cover. She covers her face with a scarf. Crash. Crash. The car crashed into the wall. Cross. Cross. He crosses the street. Cry. Cry. The baby cries loudly. Cut. Cut. He cuts the paper into pieces. Dance. Dance. They dance at the party. Dig. Dig. He digs a hole in the ground. Discuss. Discuss. They are discussing the project. Drink. Drink. She is drinking coffee. Eat. Eat. She eats an apple. Enter. Enter. He enters the room quietly. Educate. Educate. The school educates young children. Encourage. Encourage. The coach encourages the players. Enjoy. Enjoy. I enjoy reading books. Explore. Explore. They are exploring the jungle. Fall. Fall. The leaves fall in autumn. Fasten. Fasten. She fastens her seatbelt. Feed. Feed. She feeds the baby. Feel. Feel. I feel happy today. Find. Find. She finds her lost cat. Fix. Fix. He fixed the broken chair. Fly. Fly. The birds fly in the sky. Get. Get. She gets a new job. Give. Give. He gives me a gift. Go. Go. They go to the beach. Greet. Greet. She greets her guests warmly. Hang. Hang. He hangs the picture on the wall. Have. Have. She has a cute dog. Here. Here. I hear a strange noise. Hide. Hide. She hides behind the tree. Hit. Hit. He hits the ball hard. Hold. Hold. She holds the baby in her arms. Hop. Hop. The rabbit hops across the field. Hug. Hug. She hugs her friend. Impress. Impress. He impressed everyone with his speech. Improve. Improve. She improved her English skills. Jump. Jump. The cat jumps onto the table. Kick. Kick. He kicks the ball hard. Kiss. Kiss. She kisses her baby goodnight. Knock. Knock. He knocks on the door. Laugh. Laugh. They are laughing at the joke. Lay. Lay. She lays the baby in the crib. Lift. Lift. She lifts the box. Light. Light. He lights the candle. Look. Look. Look at the sky. Make. Make. She is making a cake. Mark. Mark. The teacher is marking the test papers. Measure. Measure. He measures the length of the table. Melt. Melt. The ice cream is melting in the sun. Move. Move. They move to a new house. Open. Open. She opens the window. Order. Order. He orders a pizza. Paint. Paint. She is painting a landscape. Park. Park. He parks the car in the garage. Pick. Pick. She picks some fresh apples. Play. Play. They play soccer in the park. Point. Point. He points at the map. Pour. Pour. He pours some milk into the glass. Print. Print. He prints the document. Pull. Pull. She pulls the door open. Punch. Punch. He punches the punching bag. Push. Push. He is pushing the heavy box. Put. Put. She puts the book on the shelf. Rain. Rain. It rained all day yesterday. Red. Red. He reads a book before bed. Run. Run. She ran 5 miles. Select. Select. She selects a red dress. Set. Set. She sets the table for dinner. Shake. Shake. He is shaking hands with the guest. That's all for today. Want to learn more useful English words? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!